Okay, Paul here, and had this package come in yesterday, and I just opened it now, and it was packed very well. I mean, the guy did an excellent job of packing it. He put bubble wrap in there, and he double boxed it. This is the first package I got double boxed without me saying the best way to ship stuff is to double box it. And he had a bag wrapped around it, and it's a boom box. And you see, this is the unit here. Came in because it needs a new belt. But you see what happened here. It cracked right at the handle there. See? All the way around the handle. And that happened because the handle was sort of in this position. And the weight of the unit shifting the package actually hit the side and pushed the handle to this way, which cracked that and also loosened up the handle. You see how the handle just wobbles? And it got opened here. So when I return it to the customer, what I'm going to do is definitely take off the handle and wrap it separately and send it separate. And I'm going to try to fix this for the customer, try to get that closed and glued so that it's not noticeable if I can. Anyway, that's what happens. Sometimes you take the best care you possibly can and things still go wrong. I mean, that's just life, right? But I feel bad about it, and I'm going to do everything I can to try to help repair it and make sure it's not damaged worse as it goes back. Anyway, there's an example of a well-packed item. There's always room for improvement, right? There could have been more padding around it. It could have been some styrofoam, but with the handle extended, you see how even if it was down, you see how even down it's got a space here, so you bang, the weight of the unit banging the side of the package is still would have done it. So that could have been taken off and wrapped separately, but you know, I had not seen the unit, but either way, I probably would not even have thought of it myself, because what's the odds, right? But things happen. So there you have it. Just a warning. I will do more videos on when I get time. I'm so far behind on how to pack an item so that it's well protected. Obviously, you know, no one has the original packaging and the original styrofoam that goes with something like this. But be careful. When you pack things, do the best you can. I mean, I get a lot of packages in, and, you know, occasionally they're broken. And it's not just things like this. I buy supplies and tools on eBay from experienced sellers and have the same problem. It just happens. Just this past week, I bought a DC power supply, and it came in, and it was sure banged up bad. Metal case, all bent it up, and it was well packed, but FedEx threw it somewhere, and the weight of the transformer smashed it up. Because they're heavy and they're bulky and they're massive, and that weight it does a job. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this helpful, and that it'll help you realize why you got to take that extra precaution. This could have been a whole lot worse. This could have been totally destroyed, and it wasn't. I haven't looked at everything, but it seems to be okay. I don't see any broken controls. It's just the handle, I think, got smashed. But anyway, there you go. And sorry this happened, but I'll do my best to make it right. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it informative, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Have a good day.